nandun yan. Kailangan natin ng tulong is ma-digitalize connectivity, but yung creativity to create.
President Bongbong Marcos Jr. for his unwavering recognition of Philippine Development Plan 2023-2028 and the NIASD, or the National Innovation Agenda, to reinvigorate our country's services sector, generate more jobs and competitive products, and pursue a renewed policy of profound innovation. The creative sector is truly great.
Cities and municipalities significantly contributes to our national development goals. Creative cities are prosperous cities. Together, with continued dedication and collaboration, we ensure that every city and municipality in the Philippines thrives, and that every Filipino enjoys the benefits of
our spaces and policies. We can shape cities and municipalities that are prosperous, the future. Once again, maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang economy.
Ano yan?
Will be made available to our creative
Whole month of September, I want to reaffirm my commitment to each and every one of you. I will do everything in my capacity as a legislator, I will do everything in my capacity to ensure that we have significant objectives ng creative industry.
The Philippine Quality Award, or PQA, is the highest level of national recognition for exemplary organizational excellence to help Philippine business organizations achieve world-class performance. Institutional dispersion of the PQA award process were implemented, providing unprecedented opportunities to all public and private organizations in the regions. The PQA Regionalization Program is the decentralization of the PQA program, creating a regional